Welcome back. Traditional prompt engineering requires that you use a semi-structured prompt. For example, if you wanted a chatbot to create a process for you, one of the phrases that you would use or type in would be to think step by step. And for example, instead of just giving the query, you would also write in to the chatbot to think step by step. And in most cases, what you would also do is you might give the chatbot in this case an idea of what a step by step process means to you so that it knows how to output the data. However, we are going to skip that step and we're just going to click enter and we're going to allow ChatGPT to create a step by step process. The reasoning model of ChatGPT does not require you to write in or to ask the chatbot to think step by step. To use the reasoning model, you can just write in your query without the phrase or request that the chatbot think step by step. We're going to open up a new chat. We're going to change to the reasoning model. We're going to change to O1, which is the reasoning model in ChatGPT as of the recording of this video. We're going to switch to that model. We are then going to enter this element. And we're not going to ask ChatGPT to think step by step. And what you'll notice is that ChatGPT says that the chatbot thought for a second. So in order to produce this information, the chatbot does go through a step-by-step process in a different way than do the models that do not require the advanced reasoning. And so you will see a different result. So wherever you require a step-by-step process from ChatGPT, it's a good idea to attempt to use both models. To use first the advanced reasoning model as well as the most advanced model the ChatGPT has. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.